In a world shrouded in darkness, Shadow Core 9 guides Nala toward the foreboding Montego Bay core where blood is shed and lives are lost. As chaos ensues, Draylin stands at the edge, haunted by the sight of Nala inching closer to the abyss. The clash of blades echoes in the air as allies turn against foes. And amidst the turmoil, Nala finds herself staring into the abyss, a choice between light and darkness. Draylin, feeling the gravity of the moment, struggles with the realization that this could be the last time he sees her. As the abyss beckons, Nala's heart races, while she grapples with a choice that could alter the fate of many. Draylin, desperate and conflicted, steps forward, knowing he may lose everything if she takes that final step. In that pivotal moment, Nala feels the pull of the abyss, a thrilling yet terrifying invitation that tests her very soul. Draylin's voice cuts through the chaos, urging her to remember who she is and fighting to keep her from succumbing to despair. Gathering her courage, Nala opens her eyes, steeling herself against the abyss's allure, determined not to let it consume her. Draylin's outstretched hand symbolizes hope, a desperate plea that echoes the bond they share as she teeters on the brink, defying the seductive pull of the abyss. Nala channels her strength, a radiant aura illuminate her as she chooses to step back into the light. Draylin breathes a sigh of relief, realizing their bond has triumphed over despair, just as the shadows begin to recede. With a powerful surge, Nala's light dispels the encroaching darkness, forcing the shadows back into the abyss where they belong. In that moment, Draylin realizes that their path forward is now illuminated, a chance for redemption and renewal. Having conquered the darkness, Nala radiates strength and resilience, symbolizing hope for all who dare to defy despair. As Draylin steps forward, his heart filled with gratitude, he knows that their journey is only beginning, and together they will forge a brighter path. As the darkness gives way to light, the world around them bursts into color, a testament to their triumph. Standing together, Nala and Draylin look toward the future, ready to embrace whatever challenges lie ahead, united by their strength and newfound purpose. With the dawn of a new day, the sun rises, casting warm light over the land, heralding new beginnings for Nala and Draylin. Seated together on a hilltop, they take a moment to reflect on their journey thus far. Hearts united in anticipation of the adventures that lie ahead. At the precipice of adventure, Nala and Draylin survey the breathtaking valley below, a world full of promise waiting for them. With determination shining in her eyes, Nala knows that their journey will be filled with challenges, yet her spirit remains unyielding. With each step into the vibrant valley, Nala and Draylin embrace the beauty of life that surrounds them, filled with hope and possibility. Sharing a moment of joy, Draylin glances at Nala, knowing that together they can overcome any obstacle that lies ahead. Just as peace settles over the vibrant valley, dark clouds begin to swirl ominously above, casting a shadow on their newfound hope. Nala's expression turns fierce, prepared to confront the new challenge, ready to protect the light they have fought so hard to reclaim. As a crack of lightning tears through the sky, the valley trembles, signaling the emergence of a formidable threat. Draylin positions himself protectively in front of Nala, determination etched on his face, prepared to defend what they hold dear. From the depths of the shadows, a colossal creature steps forward, its fiery eyes glinting with malice, representing the chaos threatening their world. Undeterred, Nala faces the beast, her heart fueled by courage, ready to protect everything she loves. With unwavering resolve, Nala and Draylin spring into action, fusing their strengths in a harmonious defense against the looming threat. Channeling her energy, Nala unleashes a fierce blast, determined to protect what she holds dear from the encroaching darkness. As Nala's energy blast strikes true, the impact reverberates through the air, casting a brilliant glow over the conflict. Meanwhile, Draylin rushes forward, weapon raised high, embodying the spirit of unity and bravery in their fight against the darkness. Though the creature reels from the force of their combined attack, its wrath only intensifies, signaling that the fight is far from over. In a moment of shared understanding, Nala and Draylin lock eyes, their bond strengthening as they ready themselves for the challenges ahead. Drawing strength from her heart core, Nala harnesses the swirling energy, signifying her readiness to unleash the virus that could end the chaos. Draylin stands steadfast by her side, fiercely protective and confident, ready to confront whatever comes their way. As Nala unleashes the virus, a brilliant explosion of light floods the field, pushing back the darkness and igniting a spark of hope. The creature's furious roar fills the air, caught in a battle against the overwhelming force that seeks to shatter its malevolence. The virus engulfs the creature in a dazzling spiral of light, marking the climactic battle for survival. With unyielding resolve, Nala channels every ounce of her strength, becoming a beacon of hope in the face of darkness. As the creature starts to disintegrate, tendrils of darkness fade under the overpowering brilliance of the virus, showcasing Nala's strength. Draylen stands by, filled with admiration, witnessing the incredible transformation as hope emerges from the depths of despair.